Hi kids, good morning. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine. In the previous class, we saw the numbers from 1 to 50 and 51 to 100. Today, let's revise once again 1 to 100.
Enjoy the song.
Before
Now let's start the class. Numbers 1 to 100. NUMBERS numbers 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, it's two-digit number 1, 0, 10. After 9, 10. After 10, 11. After 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After 19, 20, 20. After 1, 2. After 19, 20, 20. After 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. After 29, 30, 30. After 29, 30, 30. After 30, 31, 31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 40. After 3, 4. 40, 40. After 39, 40. After 40, 41. After 40, 41. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. After 49, 50. 50, 50. After 50, 51, 51. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 59, 60, 60. After 5, 6. 59, 60. After 60, 61, 61. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. After 69, 70. After 6, 7. 70, 70. After 70, 71. Again you should start with 7. 71, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. After 7, 8. 80, 80. After 79, 80, 80. After 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. After 8, 9, 89, 90. After 89, 90. Once again you should start with 9. After 90, again you should start with 9. After 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So 3-digit number 100. 1, 0, 0, 100. After 9, 10. 1, 0, 0, 100. After 99, 100.
now I'm going to show you something. Let's see. What is this? This is a elephant. This is an elephant. This is a pyramid. This is a pyramid. This is a duck. This is a duck. Now, this is elephant, pyramid, duck. Which toy is there after elephant, children? After elephant. Which toy is there after elephant? After means next. After elephant, which toy is there? Pyramid. After pyramid, which toy is there? After means next. Next to pyramid, which toy is there? Duck. So after pyramid, duck. Now you see after elephant. Now which toy is there after elephant? Duck. After duck, pyramid. After elephant, duck. After duck, pyramid. Now which toy is missing here? Now which toy is missing? Yes, duck. Which toy is missing? Duck. See, duck is coming here. Yes. Which toy was missing? Duck. Now we keep the duck. Now, first duck, elephant, pyramid. Now, which toy is there in between children? Which toy is there between duck and pyramid? Which toy is there? Elephant. Between duck and pyramid? Elephant. Now you say, between elephant and duck, which toy is there? Between elephant and duck? Pyramid. Between elephant and duck? Pyramid. Similarly, we have missing, after, in between numbers. Now let's see missing, after and in between numbers.
Missing numbers. MISSING missing. NUMBERS missing numbers. Now let's see how to do missing numbers. 12. 12 is already there. Dash, dash, 15. Again, once again, dash, dash. Now, what number should come in this dash? Now here which number is there? 12. Now you see here children, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Where is 12 here? It's here. After 12, which number is there? 13. So in the dash, which number it should come? 13. In the dash, which number we should write? 13. After 13, which number is there? 14. So next number is 14. Now 15 is already there. Which number should we should write in the dash? See here, 14, 15, 16. Which number we should write in the dash? 16. After 16, which number we should write? 17. After 16, 17. So, now you see 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How to write the missing numbers, you understood, no? Now let's see one more example. Here 33 is there already. Dash, 35, dash, 37, dash. How to write the missing number now? 33. Next number is, listen here, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Once you can repeat like this and then you write the number in the dash. It will be easy for you. 33. After 33, 34. After 33, 34. After 34, 35 is already there. So we no need to write anything there. 35 is already there. Here 33 is already there. Missing number 34 we wrote. 35 is already there. So again we should write the missing numbers. After 35, 36. 37 is already there. Which number should come after 37? Which number is missing here? Which number is missing here? 38. Which number is missing here? 38. Now after writing, once you check. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Correct.
Now here 5, 6, 56. 56 is already there. Dash, 58, dash, dash, 61. Now which numbers are missing here? Now let's see which numbers are missing here. After 56, check here after 56, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Which number we should write here? 57. 5, 7, 57. Now 58 is already there. Which number is missing? Check here. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 59. Now which number is missing here? After 59, 60. Now once again you check 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Now 95 is already there. 95 dash 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 99 dash. Now which numbers are missing here? Now you see which numbers are missing here. 95 is there already. Where is 95? Here. After 95, 96. Next, which number is missing? 97. After that, which number is missing? 98. 99 is already there. Then here which number is missing? Which number is missing, children? 100. 100. 100. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now you understood the missing numbers, children? Now have you understood the missing numbers? Now let's see after numbers. Now let's see after numbers. Which number is there here? 1, 0, 10. Which number is there? 1, 0, 10. After 10, which number should come here? After 10, 11. 1, 1, 11. After 10, 11. Here 3, 9, 39 is there. After 39, which number should write? After 3, 4. After 39, which number we should write? After 3, 4, 0. 4, 0, 40. 39, 40. 39, 40. After 39, 40. Here 4, 3, 43. 4, 3, 43. So which number we should write here? Which number should come? 4, 4, 44. After 43, 4, 4, 44. After 43, 44. If you are having doubt in the middle, you can count and you can write, children. Once again you see, you count 41, 42, 43. After 43, 44. Like that you can count and write the number. Here 88. Number 88. Now I will tell how to count and write. Here 88 is there. So you count from 81. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. After 88, 89. 89, 89. After 88, 89. After 88, 89. Here 94, 94. After 94, which number should come after 94? 95, 95. After 94, 95. After 94, 95. Now let's see between numbers. Now let's see between numbers. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. Between numbers. What is this? It's a train. You all know it's a train. Now here, which number is there? 9. Here dash. Here 11. Now one bogie is missing. Which bogie is missing? Which number is missing? Let's see. After and between numbers are similar. 10. After 9, 10. After 9, 2-digit number, 10, 11. What we should write in the dash? 10. After 9, 10, 11. Which bogie was missing? Number 10. Now here 1, 7, 17, dash 19. 17, dash 19. Which number we should write here? Which number we should come? 17. After 17, 18. Here 19. 17, 18, 19. 4, 9, 49. After 49, which number we should write? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. After 49, 50. After 4, 5, 0, 50. So 51 is there already. 49, 50, 51. 9, 8, 98. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. After 98, 99, 99. After 98, 99, 99. 100 is there already. So in between we should write 99. 98 is there. In between we should write 99. 100 also is there already. 98, 99, 100. Now let's see how to write in the notebook. First write the date. 2/1/21 bar 8. 21 bar 8. Then write the heading in the first line. WRITE write. WRITE write. One finger space. THED, one finger space, MISSING, 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 NUMBERS, numbers. Write the missing numbers. After writing the heading, leave one line. After writing the heading, leave one line. Always after writing the heading, you should leave one line, children. Listen carefully. Always write, after writing the heading, leave one line. Then in the next line, here which number is there? 11. Here which number is there? 11. After that, I left one line, dash. Here again dash. 1, 4, 14. Here again dash. Here again dash. Now we are going to see which number is missing. Which numbers are missing? 11. After 11, 12. After 12, 13. Here which number is missing? 14 is already there. After 14, 15. After 15, 16. Now check 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Correct. Now go for the next number. Here which number is there? 23. Already 23 is there. Which numbers are missing here? 23 is there, 25 is there, 27 is there. Which numbers are missing? 23. After 23, 24. After 24, 25 is there. 26. After 25, 26. After 26, 27 is 27 is already there. After 27, 28. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now which number is this? 3, 6, 36. 36 is already there. Dash, 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 40. 40, 40, 41. Which numbers are missing here? After 36, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 is already there, 41 also already there. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. After that leave one line. 75, 76, 75, 76, 75 is already there. 7, 6, 76. Which number is missing? 77, 78, 79 is already there. 80, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now once again write the date, write the heading WHAT, what, one finger space, COMES, comes, one finger space, AFTER, after, what comes after, question mark, what comes after. Now let's see what comes after. Which number is this? 7. Which number is this? 7. After 7, which number we should write? After 7, 8. Leave one line and write 8. After 7, 8. Next number, 5 to 52. After 52, 51, 52. After 52, 53. 5, 3, 53. Here, 6, 8, 68. 6, 8, 68. After 68, here you should write same 6. After 8, 9. 68, 69. After 68, 69. Here 7, 9, 79. 7, 9, 79. After 79, which number we should write? After 7, 80. 80, 80. After 79, 80. After 79, 80. Here 8, 5, 85. 8 write as it is. After 5, 6. 8, 5, 85. 8, 6, 86. 85, 86. 85. After 85, 86. After 85, 86. Similarly, write your homework. Parents, kindly help your children to do the homework.